Hey everyone, so I just wanted to go over the instructions here really quick for the Birds of Kansas worksheet. So we have 8 examples of birds that you can find here in Kansas. So for each one shown, you're just going to say what order it belongs to. So each one has the word order underneath it. That's all that you need to put for it. We talked about the orders in the video, just talking about what is a bird in general. We gave several of the orders there. So you may be able to find some of them that way, but if you want to look them up for sure, you can always look them up by their individual name. Remember that the names of all bird orders end in iforms, so you'll know you've got the right word if it ends in iforms. You may want to use online resources like the Animal Diversity Web to help. So again, here's the ADW web page again. So to give an example, let's say that I was looking for a cardinal. I would do search ADW cardinal, type that in, and then I go up here. Northern cardinal seems like a pretty good bet for the bird I'm looking for. If I click on it, and again, the photos look like a pretty good match. This is what we all know and love as a cardinal. And then we could look down here on the right-hand side where it says classification. So we know we're in the right ballpark here. Animalia we know is the kingdom. So if we keep going down, here's the order Passeriformes. So again, a lot of birds belong to this order, Passeriformes, the perching birds. So remember that a lot of them could end up in this particular order because over half the bird species are in this one anyway. But on the sheet, you'll have a little bit more variety than just Passeriformes there. So that's all that you need to do is write the order for each one. So pretty straightforward. If you do have any questions about this particular worksheet, you can call me, you can email me, or you can show up for our science department office hours, 9:30 to 10:30 every weekday, Monday through Friday.